Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use HubSpot for customer support. So let's get right into it. Now for this, we are going to do a couple of different things. The first thing I'm going to suggest you do is create a form. You can go into marketing and go into forms, and here you can create a support form which you can add to your site so that people can go ahead and add their support problems into this site. You just go into create a form, select the template that best fits. For example, we'll use an embedded form, click next, and now you can go ahead and select a blank template, a registration, or do whatever you want. I'll select a blank one, click start, and then we'll edit this to look closer to the support ticket. Now, as you can see, you have these fields which you can add. I'll keep the email ticket, and now you can use other forms of elements such as the CAPTCHA, which I would recommend you do. You can also enable data privacy options if you want to, or you can add contact properties, you can add company properties, and you can add ticket properties, and you can possibly add a text field from somewhere here. So let's see, text. You can add a message field, rather, that is the best one. So just get and search the message field, you add this, and then people can add their message over here, which is going to be their support problem. And then once you're done with that, update it, put it on your site, and then you can use that to gather problems, which you can then go ahead and turn into support tickets. The way you make tickets is you go into the ticket section and go along the pipeline here. So if it is a support ticket, let me just delete this one right here. You need to add the number of tickets you're deleting to be able to actually delete them as a confirmation. Then under tickets, just click create a new ticket, and this is going to be our support ticket. So support ID number 1. You can put it in the support pipeline. Ticket status is going to be new since it is a new ticket. Add the description of the problem, just copy it over from the form into here, or if you connect your forms to these tickets, which you can do with automations, then it'll automatically set up. You can just connect these two fields and it's going to automatically fill up. Then you can set up a source, which is going to be an email or rather a form, and then you can set yourself up as the owner, set the priority depending on the support they need. I'll just set it to medium. You can set a create date if you want. I won't do it. And then if you have their contact information, you can just add it through here, and you can add a company if you want, but usually for support that is not going to be needed. Then click create, and however far along the support line you are, if you contact them or they contact you, you can put it on waiting on contact. Once you message them with a sort of solution, you can put it on waiting on us, or rather, yeah, you can wait for their contact, and once that's done, waiting on us. Once you answer to them, you can put it back to waiting on a contact to see if it's resolved. If it's resolved, go to closed. If not, go to waiting on us, and repeat as far as, or as many times as it's needed. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.